guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So in this video I'm going to share my top 5 favorite nude lipsticks from Maybelline. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So the first shade I'm showing you is Almond Pink. It's from their Powder Mattes collection. It's a soft mauvey pink shade and one of the most gorgeous pinky nude. Almond Pink is one of my favorite shades from the collection. It's best and fast selling shade suitable for almost every skin tone. The texture is similar to the Maybelline Color Sensational lipsticks for the creamy mattes, very lightweight with satin cream finish. However, the powder mattes have a very powdery, soft, lightweight texture with absolutely no shine and a comfortable matte finish. None of the lipsticks feels drying on lips from this collection, though creamy mattes feels a little hydrating. You can get this lipstick from Nykaa or Amazon for price rupees 475. The second shade is Mauve. It's from their Bold collection. It's a beautiful dark pink shade with slightly mauve hue. Basically, the undertones of this lipstick is purple and brown. It is a dusty mauve shade which is beautiful and subtle for everyday use. The color is apt for fair to medium skin tones. It is such a gorgeous everyday shade which can be easily worn anywhere without making you look over the top. The lipstick does not contain any shimmer or glitter at all. You can get this lipstick from Nykaa or Amazon for rupees 475. So the third nude lipstick is the lightest shade I'm going to review in this video, is the Nude Nuance. It's from their Creamy Matte collection. Nude Nuance, which is a beautiful nude shade. It is actually a warm brownish pink nude shade which looks absolutely gorgeous on every skin tone. It is a pure nude shade for medium skin tone. It looks stunning with dark smoky eyes. The formula of this lipstick is very creamy and comfortable on lips. You can get this lipstick from Nykaa or Amazon for rupees 299 only. The fourth lipstick I'm going to review is Touch of Spice. Touch of Spice is a mid-toned pink-based nude that looks almost mauve on less pigmented lips and a perfect pink-brown on deeper lips. The shade has warm undertone, so it complements most Indian skin tones. This is a muted lip color that suits everyone, and this is one of my favorite. This lipstick has smooth and creamy texture. It glides on without drag and pull. Though it looks matte on lips, it does not settle into matte finish like liquid lip colors. You can get this lipstick from Nykaa or Amazon for rupees 299 only. The last nude shade from Maybelline is Toasted Brown. This is also from their Powder Matte collection. My search for that perfect nude lipstick finally ended when I found this lipstick. Toasted Brown is a warm toned terracotta shade that will suit every skin tone except some very deeper skin tones. It is a very beautiful shade which has undertones of dull orange, or you can say burnt orange. So guys, you can buy this lipstick from Nykaa or Amazon for rupees 475. So guys, that's all for this video. If you like this video or find it helpful, don't forget to like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.